Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about how to write a program to print the prime number with between the range. So, between the range of minimum to maximum. So, basically, what is a prime number? The prime number is the one wherein it divides the number by the number and by 1. So, if the number is divisible by 1 and by itself, so then it is a prime number. Now, if the other than that, if you are considering, say for example, if I say 2, 1 is 2 is divisible, the remainder is 1, 0, yes, if it is divisible by 1, and 2, yes, so 2 is a prime. Similarly, 3 is divisible by 1, yes, and 3 is divisible by 2, no, 3 is divisible by 3, so 3 is a number, is a prime. So if I am considering 4, 1, 2 and 4 are the factors, so it becomes 3, so the count will be 3, so it is not a prime. Then if you are considering 5, again 1 and 5, you are going to have the 2 factors, so naturally it's prime. Similarly 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6, so 4 counts, so you are not going to get it. Similarly 7, 1 and 7, the other numbers are not divisible. Similarly 8, 1, 2, then 4 and then 8 is the number, so the count is 3, 1, 2, 4 and 8 is the number, so count is 4, so it's not there. Similarly 9, 1, 3 and 9, so it's not a prime number. So then if you are considering 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10 itself, so count is 4. So that means, so this is how you will be able to analyze the given range number whether it is a prime or not. As we are trying to write this program, we will going to see how this it can be written now. So I will go for include stdio.h, then I will take include conio.h, then we have void main, so then we will have int. I want the minimum number, then I want maximum, then to this we are going to take I, comma j, comma count, because every time the number is divisible by, in the loop what we want to check, so we want to have the count, so we will have CLR is CR, then we want to printf enter the minimum and maximum number, so I will say enter the minimum and maximum numbers. We are going to say that. So then we want to scanf, so percentage %d, so percentage %d ampersand minimum, comma ampersand maximum. Then we want to have a for loop, for I equals minimum, I less than or equal to maximum, then I plus plus, then you enter into loop. So once you do that, here the initial value of count I need to start, because we want to count the numbers, because the factors we need to find out. Since we need to find out the factors, so you are going to have the factors. So when you have the prime number will going to have the number by itself and also by 1, so the count obviously it has to be 2. If it is more than 2, then it's not a prime. So since we want to count, so initialize the value of count as 0, then for j we are going to take for j equals 1, then every time this has to count with the value of I, because once if I take 3 is less than or equal to 10, yes, then it comes to 0, so j is equal to 1, is 1 is less than or equal to what? The I value what I have taken is 3, so j is less than I, then j plus plus, or since it is equal to 1, so j is equal to less than or equal to I, then j plus plus. Once you do that, then we enter into the loop. Again, if what the condition says, if the condition is the remainder is equal to 0, so what is that? Minimum that the value of I which we have considered as 3 is the number 3% 1 is equal to 0. Here 3 is what? I value. And what is 1? 1 is nothing but the j. So naturally I percent j equals 0 if the condition is true. Then what you need to do, we want to count that. So I will say count plus plus. So why? Because count is equal to count plus 1. So initial value of count is 0. So you're going to take 0 plus 1, it becomes 1. Then what it should do? If it should, now again, if it goes into the loop, so it takes the value of 2, 2 is less than or equal to 3. Condition is true. So again I percent j. So I mod j is equal to 0. That means 3.2 is equal to 0. No, it won't take the count. Then again it increments. Then 3 is less than or equal to 3. Yes. So 3 mod 3 is equal to 0. Yes, the count becomes 2. So this is how it will going to work. So once it starts to comes out, we have to come out of this. Then what I need to do, I need to print the values. If count is equal to 2, you will say if I count is equal to 2, if the condition is true, then what I need to do now, I want to print a percentage d backslash t. So what I want to print, I want to print the value of I. I will say I and say close, then semicolon. So once you do that, so we have the factor here, the loop is getting ended. Then it comes to get ch function. So get ch function and say close. So this is how you will be able to write the program. Now we are going to run. So enter the minimum and maximum. I will say 3 and 10. So the maximum which will going to be 3, 5 and 7. Similarly, if you want to check, I want to check between 10 and 20. So you will going to get what are all the values. So this is how you will be able to execute the program. Now we are going to check the one by one. Now I will say void main. I will take the smaller value so that it will be able to calculate easily and fast. So first I go for clear screen, of course, enter the minimum and maximum numbers, it will read those numbers. I will say 3 and 10. So the minimum number is 3 and the maximum number is 10. So first it will initialize the value of minimum. I is equal to 3. Is 3 is less than or equal to the maximum value is 10. The condition is true. Then it counts. Count is equal to initialize the value of count as 0. Then what it does, it comes to F7. J is equal to 1. Is 1 is less than or equal to I. What is the initial value of I now? It is minimum. So that is 3 which you have entered. If 1 is less than or equal to 3, condition is true. So then I, that is 3 mod j 1. Is the remainder is 0? Yes. So it will count that number. So count is equal to 1. So why? Because count is equal to count plus 1, 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Then 2 is less than or equal to 3. Yes. So 3 mod 2 is equal to 0. No, it won't count. Then 3 is less than or equal to 3. Yes. Is condition checks 3 mod 3 is equal to 0. Yes. So the count becomes 2. So count becomes 2. Since the count is 2, then it increments. Is 4 is less than or equal to 3? No, it goes out. It goes out and goes to the next one. If count is equal to 2, yes. So in printer, it takes the value of 3 now. So once you get that, again, it goes to the 4. Is 4 is less than or equal to 10? Yes. Count is equal to 0? Yes. Condition is true, so it enters into this. Then it takes the value of j is equal to 1. Is 1 is less than or equal to 4? Yes. 4 mod 1 is equal to 0. Yes. Count becomes 1. Then it increments. that is 2 is less than or equal to 4, yes. 4 mod 2 is equal to 0, yes. It counts, it becomes 2. Then it takes the increment. 3 is less than or equal to 4, yes. Is 3 mod 3, 3 mod 4, 4 mod 3 is equal to 0, no, it won't take. Then it increments. Is 4 is less than or equal to 4, yes. Then 4 mod 4 is equal to 0, yes, the count becomes 3. Then it goes to the increment. 5 is less than or equal to 4, no, it comes out. Goes to the count is equal to 2. Is 3 is equal to 2, no, so it won't print. Then it goes to 5. Is 5 is less than or equal to 10, yes, count is equal to 0. So j is equal to 1, so 1 is less than or equal to 5 now, yes. 5 mod 1 equals to 0, yes, count becomes 1. Then count becomes 1. Then 2 is less than or equal to 5. 5 mod 2 is equal to 0, no, count it won't take. Then 3 is less than or equal to 5, yes. 5 mod 3 is equal to 0, no, it won't take. Then 5 mod 4, okay, no, it won't take count. 5 mod 5, yes, it enters, the count is equal to 2. Then 6 is less than or equal to 5, no, it comes out. Then count is equal to 2, is 2 is equal to 2, yes. Then prints that value, what is that? 5. Then it goes to the increment. 6 is 6 less than or equal to 10, yes. So first it has printed 3, now it has printed 5, then we want to go for 6. Count is equal to 0, yes. 1 is less than or equal to 6, yes. 6 mod 1 is equal to 0, yes, the count, it becomes 1. Then it increments. Is 6 mod 2 is equal to 0, yes, so it becomes 2. Then it increments. 3 is less than or equal to 6, yes. So 6 mod 3 is equal to 0, yes, it won't count, it will count, it becomes 3. Then 4 is less than or equal to 6, yes. Then 6 mod 3, yes, 6 mod 4, no, it won't count. Then 7 mod 3, sorry, I is maximum is 7, 6 mod 3, 6 mod 4, no, it won't take. Then 6 mod 5, no, it won't take. 6 mod 6, it becomes count, so it becomes 4 now. So is count is equal to 6 is equal to 4 is equal to 2, no, so it comes out. So 6 will have 4 counts. One is that 1, and the other one is 6, and the other one is 3, 2, and the other one is 3. So this is how you will be able to get. Now it goes to the increment 7. Is initializes the value. Is 7 is 1 is 1 is less than or equal to 7, yes. 7 mod 1 is equal to 0, so the count becomes 1. Then 7 mod 2 is equal to 0, no. 7 mod 3 is equal to 0, no. 7 mod 4, no. 7 mod 5 is equal to no. 7 mod 6 is equal to 0, no. 7 mod 7 is equal to 0, yes, count becomes 2 now. So 8 mod 7, that is 7, so it comes out. So sorry, once it becomes to 7, then 8 is less than or equal to 7, no, it goes out. So it becomes the count. Is count is equal to 2, that is 2 is equal to 2, yes, the condition is true, prints that value. So it has printed 3, it has printed 5, and it has printed 7. Now we go for 8 now. 8, I is equal to 8. So count is equal to 0. 1 is less than or equal to 8, yes. 8 mod 1 is equal to 0, count becomes 1. Then 2, 8 mod 2, the count becomes 2. 8 mod 3, 8 mod 3, no. 8 mod 4, the count becomes 3. 8 mod 4, 8 mod 5, no. 8 mod 6, no. 8 mod 7, no. 8 mod 8, yes, the count becomes 4. Yes, the count becomes 4. Then it increments. What it becomes? 9 is less than or equal to 8. No, it comes out. So you have 4 counts. If 4 counts is equal to 2, 4 is equal to 2, no, it comes out. Then it takes the value of 9. 9 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, count becomes 0. Yes. So j is equal to 1. 1 is less than or equal to 9. Yes. Then 9 mod 1 is equal to 0. Yes, count becomes 1. Then 9 mod 2, no. 9 mod 3, count is equal to 0. Yes. So count becomes 2. 9 mod 4, no. 9 mod 5, no. 9 mod 5, no. 9 mod 6, no. 9 mod 7, no. 9 mod 8, no. 9 mod 9, yes. 9 is equal to 0. Yes, count becomes 3. Then 10 is less than or equal to 9, no, it comes out. So checks for the value. So 3 is equal to 2, no, it won't print. Then it increments. 10 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. The count is equal to 0. So 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. So 10 mod 1, count is equal to 1. 10 mod 2, the count is equal to 2. Then 10 mod 3, no. 10 mod 4, no. 10 mod 5, no. Yes, 10 mod 5 is there because 10 divided by 5, the remainder is 0. So it becomes 3. Count is equal to 3. 10 mod 6, no. 10 mod 7, no. 10 mod 8, no. 10 mod 9, no. 10 mod 10, yes. Because 10 divided by 10 is equal to the remainder is 0. So count becomes 4. Then 11 is less than or equal to 10, no. Its count becomes 2. 4 is equal to 2, no, it won't print. Then it goes out. So the maximum number is achieved. So get CH, yes. So here the range what you are going to print is 3, 5 and 7. So this is how you will be able to execute the program on the prime numbers wherein the number entered between the range will be able to have the desired prime numbers. So once I do that, I will say just go order, go to quit and save changes, no. So this is how you will be able to write the program. Thank you.